Hello, and welcome to the TotalPatent One webinar series. This series is intended to give you basic instruction on how to make TotalPatent One best meet your search needs. Today's webinar topic will cover building a search with Boolean operators. When you are initially learning how to construct searches, it may be useful to have the user manual handy. This can be found under the I and then User Manual. The manual contains a full listing and explanation of the search commands, operators, and wildcards available for use. When you log in, you will be automatically taken to the search page. If you are currently somewhere else in the tool and need to navigate to the search page, use the magnifying glass in the top right toolbar. Keep in mind that while you have the option of creating searches using objects, which is a topic covered in a different tutorial, you cannot mix objects and regular Boolean syntax together. Make sure that you have objects toggled off before you start your Boolean query. By default, TotalPatent One will search the full text of the document unless you instruct it otherwise. So for example, if you wanted to conduct a straightforward key term search in the full text of a document, just type in your key terms or phrase connected by one or more operator. This can be and, or, not, or near. A fairly simple search would look something like this: studio, and arrangement, and image. Then select Show Results. This search is quite broad and returns over 40,000 documents. By limiting the search to a particular area of the document, you can significantly decrease false hits. For example, a good way to limit this search would be to search only within the title, abstract, and claims, rather than the entire full text. That search would look like this. Notice the proper syntax for adding a field or segment to the search is the field alias, colon, open parenthesis, your search terms, and then close the parentheses. Then again, click Show Results. When executed, this search returns just over 500 results. Using proximity operators will further decrease false hits and increase the relevancy of your search results by ensuring not just that your key terms appear anywhere in the text, but that they appear close together, indicating they are being used in connection with one another to describe an overall concept. Refining the original query to include proximity operators might look something like this. Notice the near operator has a 5 after it. That tells TotalPatent One to return a document as long as studio and arrangement are within 5 words of each other. You can use any number after near operator up to 255, and then select Show Results again. You'll notice my much narrower result set. If you continue to get more results than you want, you can always add restrictions to your search, such as classification codes and date restrictions. You can do this until you are comfortable that your search is returning relevant results without being overly restrictive. Also keep in mind that TotalPatent One has 107 authorities that are being searched automatically. If a global search is more than you need, you can narrow your search by authority here. If you would like additional help resources, you can click on the I found at the top right side of the TotalPatent One toolbar. Here you will find the full user manual, data coverage information, and a quick reference guide. Under Contact Customer Support, you will find the customer support number, as well as a link to our resource page.